What's going on, guys? Getting ready to put some Apex Ultra under this windshield right here. It's a Honda CRV. And right here I just cut the film off and I'm doing my H pattern with the felt card. This will break off the windshield into 4 sections to help shrink it more effectively. And right here I'm just using a heat gun to shrink the film to the curvature of the glass. Window tint is flat. Shrinking it helps it conform to the curvature of the windshield. So that's what this process looks like right here. And right here I'm just making the final cut on this windshield tint. The Honda CRV is actually really user-friendly for tinting the windshield. There's plenty of black border on the inside of the windshield, so you can cut up to a 1/2 inch. I did a 1/4 inch around here, but yeah, cut one pretty well. Alright, now we're to the interesting part of window tinting in my opinion. I'm just spraying my slip solution underneath the liner there so I can prepare to do a reverse roll. I like the reverse roll method for windshields. Makes it super easy to transport the film and get it rolled onto the windshield. I use a PVC pipe. I've done it without a PVC pipe and I find that I get creases because the film can't support itself. So using this PVC pipe will really help your windshield tint go on smoothly. So I'm just going to let the video play out now. So it's so satisfying watching all those wrinkles get squeegeed out. So I'm going to let that play now. And this is the final product. This is 35% Geoshield Apex Ultra. This is perfect. It came out perfect. Around here. And then it looks pretty much clear when you look out of it. But this windshield is actually pretty user friendly. There's a nice thick border around the camera, the rear view mirror, so didn't have to get super tight in there, but that's what it looks like.